Right.
Haters. Look on good. Look. Look on me. Feel I know in my thing, no.
Hey, welcome back guys to another video. Today we're making stew peas, vegetarian stew peas, no meat. I will show you guys how to make the vegetarian stew peas. I already prepped for you guys. Have some onion here, sweet pepper, some Irish, pimento seed, carrot, pumpkin, scallion and thyme, and some scotch bonnet pepper, coconut powder, and some seasoning. You know, I always give away a phone call. A good while I don't give away any, but I hope you'll be the lucky one to get this phone call. The first 3 digits of the phone call go like this: 591 591. But you have to watch the rest of the video. Forget the rest of the number. Come cook with me. I already pressure the peas. Now we're gonna add in our coconut powder. I'm using 2 coconut powder here. Nicely. Vegetarian stew peas is very easy to look about. Now we're gonna add in our pumpkin. This is about 1.5 pounds of pumpkin. Some carrot, 1/2 pound of carrot. Alright, we're gonna make it stay there and cook for 5 minutes, and then we put in the rest of the ingredients. Nicely coming together. Now we're gonna put in our Irish, 1/4 pound of Irish, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, I'm gonna put in some scallion, I'm gonna add in a green pepper, a nice green pepper, want some thyme, and it's coming together very nicely. We need some pimento seed. Now I'm gonna add in my seasoning. Once I'm using the season, I don't use salt. Very nice, coming together very nicely. We're gonna make it stay there and cook for at least 15 minutes. And here go some of the numbers for the phone card. Go 56291. That is 56291. This man coming together. Nice. Now we're gonna add in some spinach. You don't want them too big. Yeah, very nicely. I will put in the spinach. We're gonna make it stay for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can test it. This is my finishing touch. Stew peas, vegetarian stew peas. There, you can serve it with rice if you choose to, or some quinoa. Depends what you want. And this is some rest of the phone card. Go like this: 933 933. There it is. Nice meal. Vegetarian meal. I'm say you choose what you wanted to have it with. And you see, cooking is very easy once you put your mind to it. If you put your mind to it, you will do it. I mean, if you get up in the morning and then you just get in your fridge and see what's there, you just put your hands together and just say, yeah, I'm going to prepare this meal today. And just tell yourself that you can do it till you do it. Right? The rest of the phone card go like this: 7676. And I hope that you are the one who get the phone card, a lucky one. Please remember to comment in the box so you get the phone card. Right? Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and just tell me what next you want me to try out on my channel, my cooking channel, right? And vlogging. You know that I cook and I vlog. It depends which one I do for the day. But anyway, please be safe in this pandemic. Please remember to wear a mask and abide by the law. Try to be safe. 6 feet apart. When you're going on public transportation, remember, 6 feet apart. Use up your hand sanitizer. And be safe. Bye. Have a wonderful day.